Hello guys, my name is Daniel and today we will enjoy learning on tutorial number 8 how to construct a 3D cart in CATIA version 5. The information is needed to construct the design are mentioned in the description of the video, so let's get started. We click File, we click New, we select part, we rename it Tutorial 08. Click OK, hide the planes, insert body, right click, properties, rename, click OK, insert another body, click on sketch, select the plane, construct the first circle, construct the second circle, construct the third circle. Perfect. We're gonna constrain the circles now. Perfect. They have a radius of 20. Perfect. The dimension between the middle of this circle and the vertical axis is 102. Okay. Between the middle of the axis system and the middle of the circle, we're going to construct a line that will help us to constrain the circle. We're going to make it pointed by this option. Okay, perfect. We're going to select the distance between the middle of the circle and the horizontal line. For example, we're going to put it 100. And now we're going to select an angle between this line and the vertical axis. And we're going to put it 30. Perfect. Next step is to construct the lines tangent to the circles. So we're going to click on line, click on this circle, click on this circle, and we're going to repeat the same operation on all three circles. Perfect. Now we're going to select the line. By holding Ctrl, we're going to select the circle. We're going to click this option, tangency, and we're going to repeat it for all the areas where we need to have tangents. Here it's tangent. As you can see, it's represented by two parallel lines, but here is not tangent. So, as you can see, our point needs to be coincident with the circle. I'm going to click it like this, and then we're going to select make it tangent. Perfect. And this line selected with this circle, tangent. We are okay. And here the same. Click on the line by holding Ctrl. Click on the circle. They are both selected, they are both orange, and then click this option and click tangent. The problem is that this part here is not okay. Okay, now we need to delete what we don't need. By double clicking quick trim, we're going to select the areas that we don't need for our construction. The problem is that, as you can see now, here it's straight. In our drawing, actually there are two lines, so we did a small mistake. So I will undo. I'm gonna delete this area, and we're gonna construct two lines, one like this, and one like this. This line, we're gonna make it tangent again. This line and this circle, tangent again. Perfect. Between these two there is a radius, yes, a radius. So we're gonna use corner, this option. We're gonna select first line, second line, and as you can see we can unite them by radius. The radius has a dimension of 22. And now all three elements are white, so in order for us to constrain them, we have several options. We can use this circle like this and make this like this circle see. And now to constrain the circle for 40. But as you can see, we need to block one more direction. So we're gonna block this one with the vertical distance. We're gonna put it 40 minutes. Perfect. So this is our construction. Now we're gonna delete what we don't need. And we're gonna exit the workbench. So this is our first construction. We're gonna insert another body. We're gonna copy the sketcher, the second body. We're gonna hide the first sketch, and we're gonna enter the second one. We're gonna select all the elements that we constructed. And we're gonna make them pointed as a reference. And now we're gonna construct the circles. The one that is here. Nice. All these circles have a radius of 20, so we're gonna put the radius 20 for this one. 20 for this one, and also 20 for this one. By doing this construction like this, with the first sketch copied here and everything placed as pointed, we already have the constraints done, so the circles are already constrained on position. If you want, you can choose to reconstruct everything, but I think this way is faster for us to do the drawing. Then exit. And now we have the circles that will result in a 3D part bigger than the main one that we will see in the close feature. Now we're going to insert another body. We're going to copy these circles, paste them here, hide this sketcher, go in this sketcher and edit. And now the circles that we did earlier, we can transform them in the holes of our 3D part by changing the radius of the circles. So, as you can see, our construction was done very fast by just copying the sketches everywhere. Okay, we're gonna define body number 3. We're gonna select add, we're gonna select the construction, we're gonna give it a thickness of 10 millimeters. Secondly, we're gonna define body number 4. We're gonna select pad, we're gonna select the sketch inside the body number 4. We're gonna select 20 millimeters thickness. Perfect. And now we're gonna define body number 5. We're gonna select again pad. We're gonna select the sketch inside the body number 5. But this time we need to put a bigger dimension because we're gonna remove material. So we're gonna put 30 here, 30 here, for example. So this is our construction. Now we're gonna define tutorial 0A and we're gonna start constructing, adding and removing what we need. So we're gonna start by adding this body number 3. Secondly, we're gonna define again tutorial 08. We're gonna select this body and add it perfectly. Now we're gonna define again this body number 8 tutorial, and we're gonna remove the holes. Change to isometric view, change the color of the part, and this is all for today. Thank you very much guys for staying with me today. If you like the video, subscribe. If you have any comments, please leave a comment in the comment section. This is all for today. Goodbye. Hello guys, thank you for watching my content. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check my latest videos. See you soon, goodbye.